We formed Family Nature Parks, Inc. as a for-profit Canadian company, and My Right to Play, Inc. as its not-for-profit arm. This unique hybrid structure will serve the implementation of our higher mission to deliver on our promise that every child have a right to play, to have fun, and to be well. We find the present practice and widespread use of the means test by corporate sponsors wrong and humiliating, inflicting pain not only on the economically disadvantaged and disabled families, but more important, on their kids who are made to feel subsidized. We feel deeply that every child has the right to play without feeling guilty to want to play or being the cause of humiliating their families, having to submit to the means test. We want to champion other equally compelling reasons dealing with the unacceptable levels of poverty in Canada and other rich countries. Do you know that 375,000 young people live in poverty in Ontario? That is roughly 1 in 5 young people in Ontario is living in poverty, and in Canada. That almost 32,853 children and youth 18 years old or less are living in the city of Ottawa. There are almost 5,539 senior, 65 years and over, had income of under $10,000, and more than 1,190 seniors without income also live in Ottawa. Do you know that more than 92% of Native and new Canadian families do not participate in sport or recreational activity? Yet, the vast majority of Canadians, 9 out of 10, recognize that community sport can be an enormous force for good, and they want it to be. Please continue to read the rest of my personal message to you. Thank you.